Facilitating the meeting, prioritizing, and voting. Let's start by clicking into our brainstorming topic. After the group has generated a list of ideas on the flip chart and organized them, you may want to set up a voting or prioritizing exercise. To prepare a flip chart for voting, start by going to the mini navigation panel located in the upper right part of your screen. Click on the icon labeled Prepare to Vote. This takes you to the Prepare for Voting screen. As a Facilitate Express facilitator, you have access to a variety of different voting templates, and you will select the one that makes sense for your meeting. These voting templates are called voting profiles. The set of basic voting profiles offers you a choice of fixed templates for scales such as agree-disagree or low-medium-high. The checkbox option creates a checkbox for each item in the flip chart. Enter a column max value to limit the number of checked items allowed. The item min and max and the column max settings allow you to create your own scale or range for rating and allocation of points. The Custom Voting Profile pull-down menu lists an additional set of voting profiles that are available to you. These profiles can be customized by your system administrator. If you choose to step up to be a Facilitate Pro facilitator, you can create your own custom voting profiles. Select your voting profile and then click on the Distribute Ballots button at the bottom of the screen. Look for a Success message at the top of your screen to confirm that you have distributed the ballot successfully. Notice that the topic mode on your mini navigation mode menu has changed from Brainstorm to Vote All Users. Click on Save and View to view the ballot yourself and make sure it is what you want. If you decide to switch to another voting profile, once again click on the Prepare to Vote icon in your mini navigation panel. Select another voting profile. This time you must do one extra step to distribute. Select either Update or Delete existing ballots. Then click on Distribute Ballots. Again, look for the Success message and then click Save and View to view the ballot. Now you are ready to invite your participants to vote. Let's look at the participant browser. If your participants are on the agenda page, ask them to click on the topic link. If they are still in the topic, ask them to click on the Refresh List button. Give your participants a reasonable amount of time to vote. Note that once your participants have finished voting, they will be automatically taken to the agenda page, where they will wait until you instruct them to click on the same topic again to view the results. After your participants have voted and submitted their ballots, it's time to view the results. From your Facilitator browser, select the Results Graphed mode from the Topic Mode menu in the mini navigation panel. Click on Save and View to see the voting results screen. The first time you do this, there will be a message asking you to tabulate data. Click on the Tabulate Data button to generate the results table. You'll see that the items are sorted from highest to lowest average score. Note that each item row shows a graph icon at the far right. Click on the icon to see the distribution of the votes. This is useful in determining the level of consensus around a vote. This is also where you'll see any voting comments. Click the Return button to return to the results table. It is often useful for facilitators to look at the results behind the scenes while others are still voting. First get the voting started, then use the mini navigation panel to change the topic mode to Vote Facilitators View Results. Click Save and View. Now you will see the voting results screen while your participants continue voting. Click on the Tabulate Data button periodically to update the results table. When you are ready for everyone to see the results, change the mode to Results Graphed in the mini navigation panel. Now, instruct your participants to click on the topic link to see the voting results. Best practice. Practice moving from brainstorming to voting ahead of time, so you are ready to go live. You won't actually set up the voting until after the brainstorming activity and you have a flip chart full of great ideas that need prioritizing. Go beyond brainstorming. Use voting to quickly get a sense of priority or level of agreement within the group. Go further with customized voting profiles to guide groups to consensus and document decision-making. Find out more about this when you are ready to step up to the Pro Facilitator functions. This concludes the video on prioritizing and voting. Click on the link to return to the full list of video tutorials.